Welcome to a new video from AI Made Tech Reviews. Today, we are going to test the real-life autonomy of the Galaxy Watch 6. We use the watch 100% as it comes out of the box. Always on display screen is on. Automatic brightness. Screen turns on with the turn of the wrist. Only notifications from Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, SMS, and calls. Here we can see that it is at 0% charge. We are going to use a 30-watt charger with Type A and Type B output. This charger costs 20 euros. It is no longer available on Amazon, but this is my best charger. The default charger is a Type-C charger, Samsung's classic induction charger for the Galaxy Watch 6. It is a 5 amp x 2 volt charger, which translates to 10 watts. In theory, the watch should have a battery life of 40 hours, set up as it comes from the factory, and according to Samsung, this smartwatch has a fast charging technology and should charge 45% in 30 minutes. The version of the watch is the 40mm Galaxy Watch 6, which has a 300 mAh battery. The smartwatch started charging at 8:36 a.m. "15 minutes later, we reached 25% of charge. "30 minutes later, we reached 55% of charge. "45 minutes later, we reached 83% of charge. And at this point, an hour has passed and we have 96% charge. I'm waiting for it to finish charging. It's at 99% and it is fully charged in 1 hour 10. And from now on, we are going to use our watch. It is 9:51 a.m. and this is when I start my day. I have already done several things today. It is 1:20 p.m. and as you can see, I have 87% battery left. Continuing my day, it's already 5:24 p.m. I was walking with the daughter and I have 76% battery left. It's already 6:39 p.m. I have 71% battery left. I just took a shower. It's already 9:19 p.m. at this time I go to bed, and it's the ideal time to turn on sleep mode, which will save us a little battery. And as you saw, I had 63% battery left. It's another day, Sunday 7:30 a.m. I'm going to deactivate sleep mode, and we have 46% battery left. From my point of view, losing 17% during the night with sleep mode active is too much. I just did my morning exercise, 3 sessions of 10 minutes, and as you can see, I have 34% battery left. It is 8:46 a.m. in the morning. Already at noon on Sunday, as you can see, I have 15% battery left. I remembered to record this part because I received the low battery notification suggesting me to activate the energy saving mode. Here it is 1:51 p.m. and I have 8% battery left. I'm lying down relaxing, watching movies in the afternoon, and I just received another notification. This time it asked me if I want to activate the watch only mode, which saves much more battery. It's 3:10 p.m. on Sunday. It's 4:18 p.m. and I have 1% battery left. Here I am waiting as long as possible for the smartwatch to discharge. And finally, the clock ended up fully discharged by 4:25 p.m. As a result of this experiment, I realized that I started the battery discharge test on Saturday at 9:51 a.m. and it was completely discharged on Sunday at 4:25 p.m. We had an autonomy of 30 hours of real use. Samsung promises 40 hours. At the beginning, I indicated that I activate some functions that do not come by default, and this is the result of the real autonomy of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. I activated notifications for some messaging apps, and I did some morning workouts. If you like the video, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. We will also have a complete review of the Galaxy Watch 6 with the good and bad about this watch. Until next time.